In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an item in TikTok Shop. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating the Shop tab, choosing the right product, and completing your purchase smoothly. Start by opening the TikTok app and making sure you're signed into your account. Being logged in ensures your address and payment details can be saved securely and that your order is tied to the right profile. From the home screen, look for the Shop tab or the shopping bag icon. Tap it to open TikTok Shop. You can browse featured items, scroll through categories, or use the search bar if you already know what you want. Once you find the specific product you're interested in, tap it to open the product page. Here, take a moment to review the photos, description, size chart if applicable, and the reviews. This quick check helps you confirm the item matches your needs and that the seller has a good track record. Also glance at shipping info and estimated delivery dates so you know when to expect your order. When you're ready, tap Buy Now. If the item comes in variations, select exactly what you want, such as size, color, style, or bundle options, and confirm the quantity. Be precise here, because your selection determines what will be shipped. Next, make sure you have a shipping address added. If it's your first purchase, you'll be prompted to add one. Enter the recipient name, street address, city, postal code, and any delivery notes your carrier might need to find your location. If you've used TikTok Shop before, double-check that the saved address is still correct. A quick review helps avoid delivery delays. After that, choose your payment method. You can select from the available options shown in the checkout screen. If you're adding a new payment method, enter your details carefully and save them securely if you plan to shop again. Confirm that the total, including shipping and any taxes, looks right. Before placing the order, do a final review. Product variation, quantity, address, payment method, and the order summary. If everything looks good, tap Place Order. You'll see a confirmation screen, and you should receive an order confirmation in the app and via notifications. From there, you can track the status in your Orders section and keep an eye on shipping updates. That's it. Open TikTok, go to Shop, pick your item, choose your variation, add your address, select your payment method, and place your order. Enjoy your new purchase.